Know the difference between honing and sharpening. Honing straightens out the microscopic teeth that comprise the very edge of the teeth, which bend to one side as the knife is used over time. While sharpening actually abrades ultrafine particles from the metal blade to recreate a blade, a honing steel can help realign the blade to keep it in optimal cutting condition, while a knife sharpener will restore the blade to like-new sharpness. Sharpeners are available in a handheld rod or in manual or electric versions where a knife is passed through a slot so that you're abrading the edge and just the right angle. You can also get your knives sharpened professionally if they are very dull or if you're nervous about doing it yourself. Many kitchenware stores offer this service for an average fee. However, a good honing steel should be part of your knife collection. As always, make sure to practice good safety techniques when using this honing steel. Here's the proper way to use the honing steel. Hold the sharpening steel point down on the table or cutting board. Angle between blade and steel should be approximately 20 degrees. Pull knife down and across sharpening steel in a slight arc. There should be a little pressure on this. Sometimes it's good to do a butterfly movement, growing bigger and bigger as you do the 20-degree angle. Okay, then take to the other side of the blade. Repeat this about 6 times per side. Make sure you sharpen each side the same number of times to retain the balance of the knife. Then rinse the knife off and immediately dry. So let's try the sharpness test.